One of my favorite parts about this job is working with our customers that track their Porsches. Today, we have a brand new 718 Cayman GT4 RS in the shop, and we're gonna get prepped for the track. Let's have a look. We just installed this Competition Motorsports roll bar and had it custom matched to the Guards Red exterior. We also installed these Scroth Racing Enduro 6-point harnesses. Customer hauls his car to and from the track, so we're also installing the Red Line tie-down kit. Once that's done, we'll put it up in the alignment rack, give it a little bit more negative camber to help with better cornering and tire wear.